Alright guys, so we're gonna go over Riivolution, how to generally install mods. So, yeah, for your Nintendo Wii. So you're gonna need to download Riivolution from the WII wiki. And then you're gonna have to download your mod as well. So for this video, I'm gonna be installing Mario Kart Midnight V1.5, so download both of those. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your SD card or your USB device, whichever one you're gonna use to have Riivolution on. I will tell you though is that you cannot have, for example, the Riivolution app on an SD card and then put the mod on a USB device and try to load it that way. That's not going to work. Because I tried it personally and it didn't work, so I don't know. Maybe I did it wrong, I don't know. Maybe there's a way. So you're going to take your mod. Usually your mod is going to come with one or more folders. For example, this one for Mario Kart Midnight, it just comes with a Riivolution folder and a Midnight 1.5. You're going to put your mod folders on the root of your device, and then you're going to put the Riivolution folder on the root of your device as well. And then also on the root of your device, if you don't have so already, create an apps folder, and inside of the apps folder you're going to place the Riivolution folder, which contains the boot.elf icon meta and the readme. I guess you don't need the readme, but yeah. So place those in there, so have that structure laid out, and then we are going to go to the Wii. Actually, let me, just a little tip, if you have a really large device, if you have a really large SD card, like this is right here, this device is an SD card, and you want to use it on your Wii, you have to format it a certain way. So like with larger capacity devices, like when you get to 32 gigabytes or above for an SD card, they start to be formatted by default as exFAT. Nintendo Wii's can't read exFAT. So what you have to do is you have to use a software to format it to FAT32. So there's a really good tool called Ease Use Partition Master. It's free to download. You can use this, for example, here's my SD card that's 238 gigabytes. What you would do is you would click on the partition and you would go to format, and then you can call it whatever you want. Make sure the file system is FAT32, and then also I have heard that the cluster size needs to be 16 kilobytes. And then, yeah, and then you should be good to use it for the Wii. So that's all for that, and now we'll go to the Wii. Okay, so now that you've inserted your SD card into the Wii, what we're gonna do is go to the homebrew channel. Also, make sure that you're you've inserted your Mario Kart Wii disc. You do need a physical copy of the game that you're modding to play, to apply the Riivolution mods. Start the homebrew channel. And load up Riivolution. And now what it's going to do is attempt to load your disk first. Okay, so now that we have Mario Kart Wii, what you want to do first is you want to install the channel. So For some reason it says remove, so I guess I'll do remove. So for you it should say install, so that'll install the channel. And then I guess I'll show you from the Wii menu how you can launch Riivolution without having to go into the Homebrew channel every time. So here's Riivolution. Start. And then we gotta wait again. Okay, so yeah, I think if you have, I don't know what my stuff is, I'd have to look into it, but I'm assuming you need pack enabled, click launch, and then this is going to apply your mods to the game.